So I've done that, and now take a very pink blush and a stippling brush. Cut that off. Whoa. You see that coming? It just spilled all over me. Okay. Now close it and tap it off. Alright, now smile, find the apples of your teeth, and apply it not directly, but a little bit behind. And of course, before I did this look, I applied primer and everything. Well, basically what you see in my eyes is the same. I applied foundation primer and everything, but I didn't use foundation. I used concealer only because I'm going for a very light look. And whatever left I like to use because it makes me feel naturally good. I don't know. And it looks pretty. So now what you can do is take a lip balm. In blush and on your lips. Oops. You have to remember to line out your hair. Sorry, I'm off camera. Okay, and then fold it in a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put chapstick on underneath. You're going to want to do that because this will dry out your lips, and that's bad because I'm going out. Oh. These over. Huh. Now, when you're done with that, I like combining two lip glosses because I love lip gloss and I cannot get enough of it. So I'm taking a berry lip gloss. It's like a very, very light berry pink lip gloss and has shimmer in it. And, oh no, I'm sorry, I'm not doing that first. I'm doing my Bare Minerals. It's pink coral. Now, I'll take a little bit because it will get very sticky. And apply it on the outer. Just a bit. try, but I can't really talk when I'm doing it, so. When you're done putting that on the outer side, take your Victoria's Secret ink and put it in the middle. Now, it feels good. This smells so good too. It smells so good. And now you're done. Oh no, you're not. Hello. Take a shimmer powder or oh my god, what the heck just happened? Whoa, this thing got all over the place. Okay. This is in real time, so like, what are we seeing do now? Oh my god, I put it to the side too. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna have to let it go while it takes some. Well, and stick it on top of your juice. So I'll make it look radiant and pretty and stunning. Okay. Bye. See ya. I have to go clean up this mess.